welcome to SGT Career Bites. I am Khushbu Joshi. We always talk about fashion and trendy clothing. So I thought let's have a talk with the expert itself. Today with us we have Shruti Sharma, advisor to the fashion department of SGT University with an amazing fashion industry background, especially in kids garment. Ma'am, I have a question from you. Why should a person, pursue fashion industry and what are the scopes for him or her when he or she comes to industry?
So there are various reasons why one would join this course. Prime most I would think it's because they have a flair for this, flair for design. Besides that, what I actually want to convey is that it's not only about designing. Yes, designing is a very important aspect, but it's not the only reason why you can join and you can make a career. Well, you can turn into home furnishing, you can turn into accessories. There are a lot of streams that you can finally take to. Well, why you should join this, I feel children generally I have seen are more and more savvy nowadays.
True.
They themselves know personal grooming, and I think that's the reason why they actually finally want to join this course.
I think according to me there's always a myth कि fashion industry है तो सिलाई का ही. I think ये बहुत बड़ा myth break करता है कि not only सिलाई और कपड़े बनाने, it's all about merchandising also, और आप accessories भी design कर सकते हो. So I think that is a break to that myth.
तो बच्चों को जब ये पता चले कि डिज़ाइनिंग के अलावा हम एक्सेसरीज में जा सकते हैं, लेदर गुड्स में जा सकते हैं, होम फर्निशिंग में जा सकते हैं. आज के डेट में होम फर्निशिंग ह्यूज मार्केट है.
True, very true.
तो जब उनको इतने सारे ऑप्शन दिखाई दें और उनको पता चले कि डिज़ाइनिंग सिर्फ सिलाई कपड़ों की नहीं है, तो वो डेफिनेटली इसको एक करियर चॉइस बनाएंगे.
True. I think fashion से आप personality development में भी fashion also helps. आजकल we see people with lots of confidence by just the thing they wear or whatever they want to wear.
So खुशबू, कॉन्फिडेंस की जो आपने बात की है, तो ये जब आप कोर्स ले लेते हो और सिर्फ पढ़ाई से नहीं, आपको प्रैक्टिकल ट्रेनिंग बहुत ज़रूरी है. जब आप ये प्रैक्टिकल ट्रेनिंग करते हैं इंस्टीट्यूट में, आपका कॉन्फिडेंस अपने आप आ जाता है. एंड कॉन्फिडेंस एंड डिजाइनिंग, these two things go hand in hand.
True, very true. That was very well said. कि fashion industry is all about practical learning, confidence come with that. So that was really nice about fashion industry.
True.